You're haunted by past mistakes, regrets, or missed opportunities. Memories that weigh you down, making you question if you can ever break free from their grip. It's a scenario many of us have experienced, feeling trapped in the shadows of our past. But what if I told you that there's a technique, a remarkable method pioneered by the legendary Neville Goddard that can transform your past? A technique that allows you to rewrite the narrative of your life, reclaiming your power and shaping your future exactly as you desire. In this video, we delve into the mysterious and captivating world of Neville Goddard's revision technique, a method that challenges the limitations of time and grants you the ability to rewrite the past, creating a new reality that aligns with your deepest desires. But before we unravel the secret behind this transformative technique, I encourage you to hit that like button, showing your support for this channel. Help us continue bringing you powerful insights and techniques for personal growth. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you'll never miss an opportunity to unlock your full potential and discover the secrets to a truly fulfilling life. Now prepare yourself for an eye-opening journey into the depths of your subconscious mind. A journey that will challenge your perceptions, ignite your curiosity, and ultimately empower you to transform your past. Together, let's explore the awe-inspiring possibilities offered by Neville Goddard's revision technique. So, get ready to rewrite your story and manifest a future of limitless possibilities. Stay tuned for the full video as we unravel the mysteries of transforming your past with Neville Goddard's powerful revision technique. This powerful self-improvement technique is based on the principle that our external reality is a reflection of our internal state. By revising our past experiences, we can change our present circumstances. By harnessing the power of this technique, you can transform your life and create a more desirable future. Here's how to do it. First, engage in reflective awareness and cultivate understanding about aspects of your past that you wish to change. Mentally revisit the event or experience and focus on its empowering aspects while reinterpreting its meaning. This will help release any negative emotions associated with it and create space for new possibilities in your life. Next, examine beliefs and interpretations surrounding the event or experience. Explore how they might be shaped by limiting beliefs or judgments. Then acknowledge whatever emotions arise without judgment or resistance before imprinting new meanings onto them through creative visualization techniques like mental movie making or storytelling techniques, guided meditation, etc. Finally, take some time afterwards to reflect upon how you've changed your perception of this event. Did any residual feelings shift? Did you feel any different as a result? This will go far towards helping establish lasting positive transformation in your life. The revision technique allows us to rewrite our personal narrative of past events and experiences by using positive emotions, mental affirmations, visualization techniques, repetition, and creating a safe space within ourselves. To begin rewriting your personal narrative, start by feeling genuine gratitude for lessons learned or joy from growth and progress made in the past event. Using mental affirmations is also powerful. They can help shift a person's subconscious beliefs and align them with their desired reality. So choose meaningful affirmations when selecting this step in the revision technique. Visualization techniques go hand in hand with mental affirmations during this technique. Try vividly picturing yourself living out the life you desire while reciting your chosen affirming statements for optimal results. Repetition is key. Make it a daily practice to recite your chosen affirmation multiple times throughout each day for reinforcement purposes until they become deeply ingrained into your subconscious mind. It's also important to create a safe space within yourself while engaging in these visualization and affirmation practices so any resistance present can be acknowledged, released, replacing more empowering thoughts instead. Lastly, by actively engaging in both visualizations and affirmations, one signals his here subconscious mind that those revised versions of memories are what she chooses to embrace and live by now going forward. Let's further dive in. As explained, it all begins with changing our perspective. By shifting the lens through which we view our experiences, we can reclaim power over our lives. It is within our control to choose how we interpret and respond to past events. Embracing a fresh perspective empowers us to release the shackles of resentment and open ourselves to new possibilities. Practice forgiveness, dear friends. It is a profound act of liberation that frees our own hearts and minds. Forgive yourself for past mistakes, shortcomings, and missed opportunities. Release the burden of guilt and open yourself to self-love and self-acceptance. And in turn, forgive others who may have caused you pain. Forgiveness is not condoning their actions, but rather freeing yourself from the negative energy that holds you back. Cultivating gratitude for the lessons learned from our past experiences is a pivotal step towards reclaiming power. Each challenge, setback, or disappointment has contributed to our growth and resilience. Gratitude allows us to find meaning in even the most difficult moments and empowers us to move forward with grace and wisdom. Affirm your commitment to a new narrative. Embrace and repeat positive affirmations that reinforce your strength, resilience, and potential. By affirming your newfound power and self-worth, you invite positive change into your life. Believe in the transformative power of your words and thoughts. Finally, align your internal environment with your revised perception of the past. Surround yourself with positive influences, supportive relationships, and nourishing activities. Cultivate a space within yourself that reflects the empowered, forgiving, and grateful individual you aspire to become. Congratulations, my dear viewers, on embarking on this incredible journey of self-discovery and empowerment. By embodying new narratives, trusting in the power of intentions and beliefs, and being patient with yourself, you are setting the stage for a more positive and extraordinary future. Remember, friends, you hold the power to create the life you desire. Embrace these new narratives with unwavering belief and infuse them with your intentions. Trust in the transformative power of your thoughts and beliefs, knowing that they have the ability to shape your reality. Throughout this process, be patient with yourself, for change takes time and effort. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remain committed to your journey. You are capable, deserving, and worthy of manifesting a life filled with abundance and joy. If you found value in this video, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our empowering content designed to help you on your manifestation journey. We value your thoughts and insights, so please share them in the comments section below. Let us know how these practices have resonated with you and how they've impacted your life. Together, we can foster a community of growth, support, and inspiration. As we conclude this video, may God's blessings be with you on your manifestation journey. May you continue to embrace the power within and manifest a future filled with abundance, love, and joy. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, dear friends. Remember, you possess the innate ability to shape your reality and create a life beyond your wildest dreams.